Sometimes you need someone who has gone through what you're going through, and that's what peer recovery organizations provide. Governor Mike DeWine's new budget allocates for creating more of these organizations.
So, in a nutshell, there are peer recovery organizations throughout the state of Ohio who provide recovery support services to individuals in recovery from a mental health disorder or a substance use disorder.
Here in Athens County, the Gathering Place offers help to those in need. It is one of more than 50 organizations in the state. Here, people with a mental illness can become a member of the organization, and for many, it becomes a part of their daily routine where they can interact with others, have home-cooked meals, and participate in activities.
Not every community across the state has that.
A peer support specialist is someone with lived experience and is certified in the state of Ohio. Richard Otto is a peer support specialist at the Gathering Place, and he says the goal is not to act as a medical professional.
You're not a clinical person. You're not one to tell them how to live their life or give advice.
Instead, PRSs look for things to support and give guidance in a judgment-free environment.
If you have a psychiatrist or you have a caseworker or, something along those lines, they may tell you, you need to take this medication, they label you.
And something is missing.
You're not really connecting.
But in a safe environment like the Gathering Place, they can.
We'll make some waffles, and next thing I know, they're talking about their parents, and sometimes it's like crying in the kitchen.
Having lived experience himself, Richard can use that to support others.
I really wish I could go back to college. I'm like, there's a goal right there, and I fully support you going back to college. Now, what do we need to get there?
Now, as a part of Governor DeWine's proposed budget, peer recovery organizations could be getting more support financially and certification practices improved for PRSs.
So that every community can have great places like the Gathering Place.
Because from a community perspective,
if you didn't have the Gathering Place, if you didn't have PRSs, I think you'd be doing a disservice to the community.